In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can buy stocks on Trading 212. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now, for this video, I'll be showing you how to do it on the Trading 212 website. However, the process is pretty much the same as if we were on the app, so feel free to use whichever device you find easier. When you've got Trading 212 open, the first thing you want to do is pick a stock which you're trying to buy. So you can either pick something from your watch list, or you can even come over to the search bar and you can search for specific stocks. Now, let's just say we wanted to buy Apple. We could go ahead and click on Apple, and this will show us some information about Apple, including the stock's price, and we can also see the historical charts. So in order to actually buy Apple stock, we'd simply have to click buy. However, if it's your first time buying a stock and you've recently set up your account, you may need to actually add funds to your account first. So if you're seeing this screen, you're first going to have to click this, and you're going to have to add some funds to your account. So you can choose between an instant bank transfer, a bank transfer, or card or Apple Pay. So choose whichever is easiest for you, and from there you can deposit your funds. So once you've deposited money, you'll see a screen like this, and we can start investing. So as I said earlier, in order to buy the stock, we can simply click buy. And from there, we can actually buy stock. So the first thing we need to do is actually choose the value of our shares. So let's just say I wanted to spend £1 on Apple shares. I could go ahead and put £1 in here. And I'm also going to keep this on market, because that means that we buy it at the current market price, which is $195.70. Now you can also do limit orders, which means you'll be buying at a set price that you pick. And since it's $195, let's just say we wanted to buy at $190. We could type that in there, and that means when we place this order, if it ever drops down to $190, it will buy this many shares. However, for most people, I recommend you just buying as a market order, as that's the traditional way of buying stocks, and it's just the quickest, easiest method. So in order to buy it, you can simply review your order, and we can just overlook everything to make sure it's all good, and then when we're happy, we can click send buy order. Now, because the market is currently closed, it's not actually going to go through straight away for me. However, if you are trading during a time when the market is open, that market order will go through straight away. So that's how you can buy a stock on Trading 212. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.